Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use fake webcams, recorded video, pre-recorded videos on Discord or anywhere. In fact, on Skype, Zoom, etc., etc. You can use those videos. Further, you need to download the ManyCam. Now, if you don't know about the ManyCam is a free webcam software and video switcher that allow you to enhance your video chat and create live streams on multiple platforms at the same times. You can also use the pre-recorded videos as on your webcam using this tool. Now, this is the Discord. Discord first launched in 2015 as a mean for people to easily communicate while playing PC games together. Now, there's an option turn on camera, but I don't have my webcam, so simply go into the settings. First download the ManyCam and install it, and then go into the camera settings, videos and audio. So I need to find here my webcam option over here. Now you can see I don't have any webcam right now, but OBS virtual camera that comes with the OBS software, ManyCam virtual webcam that's come with ManyCam, and the Cyberlink Perfect Cam came with the Cyberlink application. Now we need a pre-recorded video on a webcam, so for that we will use ManyCams. Just select over here ManyCam, and now the video background should be none, and then simply you can test it. Now I'm testing, but it's just a nice video, because the webcam is not active right now. So we need to open the ManyCam and put here any video or audio source. Now you can also use a image, but we are going here with video. You can use any video. In fact, I guess you can stream your desktop. No, you cannot stream your desktop, but you can stream game and any recorded video, etc. So suppose, I guess I don't have any video right now, but it's a gaming video, so just like this you can use these videos. Now it's streaming on a webcam. You can simply go on the Discord and see it's streaming right now through a webcam. Now in case I'm turning on my webcam, and when I see my webcam, simply you can see this is my webcam and it's streaming right now my webcam video. So this is the way, guys, you can simply stream fake videos on Discord, on Skype, on Zoom, on every application, in fact on Facebook too. So I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, bye bye. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.